Welcome, Coyote fans. So this is my cruise control demo video in the rain. My buddy Brian recording for me, and I'm going to show how the cruise works. I'm setting it off right now so that you can see. All right, so we're at roughly 70 miles an hour right now, and we don't want to break the law, right? So I'm going to set the turn on the cruise. So now it's on, and I'm just going to set it. And you can see my feet are not on the gas pedal, and I'm driving the car like normal. So after 7 years of not having cruise, and of course about a year and a half of that is me ripping the car into tiny little pieces to do a coyote swap. So 6 years I haven't had cruise. I finally have cruise, and it does do accelerate and decelerate. So if I hold it down, I can accelerate. Right now it's set to accelerate to about 5 miles. Oops, look what's up ahead. Don't film that. Go ahead, point out. Yeah, let's not say we did. Yeah. So, anyways, it's working, and it's working like the cruise did originally. Now, one of the things I did not do is I did not drill a hole in the steering column to do this. I made a little steel bracket because that's the kind of guy I am. It looks kind of redneck, but you know, it actually works really good. You can set that cruise back on. But rigging it up was fairly straightforward. There's your Coyote clutch wire, which is a ground, which is, I believe, a purple wire. And there were two green wires, like a green-white and a white-green, that you tap into for your brake pedal, and getting those right is important, but I'll document that. There's a pigtail that goes on the gas pedal, so you have to intercept the drive-by-wire gas pedal. That pigtail plugs into the main control unit for the cruise, and then off of the main control unit, there's a pigtail also that plugs into this hand module here, and then finally you tap into a power source, which is ignition on. I use my gauge power, and the tack wire off the Coyote PCM, and pin 14 off of your OSS, or vehicle speed sensor, however you want to call it, the Hall effect sensor that's 8,000 clicks per mile, and that's all hidden under here. But essentially, those are the wires to rig up, and you've got cruise on a Coyote swap. And I don't know that I'm the first person. I would think that lots of people know how to do this, but it seems to be a lot of question or controversy to get this working. So I'm going to add all of the setup and some pictures to my tack wire setup document, which I'm also expanding to add all my gauges. So there it is. It's a dismal day, and I'm sorry about my hair and all the other crazy crap that we've got going on here, but that's how to get cruise working in your Coyote swap. And thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe.